To solve a system of linear equations using matrices and Cramer's rule, let's consider the following example.
Step 1. Write the system in matrix form. We can express the system in the form AX is equal to B, where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix, B is the constant matrix.
For our equations, we have
Step 2. Calculate the determinant of matrix A. The determinant of matrix A is calculated as follows.
Step 3. Calculate determinants for Cramer's rule. Next, we need to find the determinants of matrices formed by replacing the columns of A with the constant matrix B. Determinant for X, denoted as dx, replace the first column of A with B.
Calculating dx.
Determinant for Y, denoted as dy. Replace the second column of A with B. Calculating dy.
Step 4. Apply Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule states that
substituting the values we calculated.
Conclusion. The solution to the system of equations is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. This method effectively demonstrates how to use matrices and Cramer's rule to solve a system of linear equations.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.